Hey friends, on Kala. Today I'll show you how to download and install Geode on Android. First, go to Google and type in Geode APK. Then find the Geode Android Launcher SDK release on GitHub. Scroll down and download this APK file. Click on it to download. Okay, let me show you. Downloading. Yes, click open, click install. Installation is in progress, and then Geode appears. There it is. Open it and it'll automatically update to the latest version. After that, you can launch it. If it doesn't start, you can try going into it. Alright. Let me close the game. Let's open it. Click Settings, and here we need to find Check Updates. So, if no updates are found, then go back to Google. Type Geode here, go to the first site, scroll to the bottom and click Source Code. Here we need the latest Geode. So we need to click Install, then scroll down. Here, click on GitHub release page. Now, let's pick the latest one. Yes, the latest release. There, and here we need the Android file. Here it is. Whether it's the 64-bit or 32-bit version, just pick yours. So now it's downloading. We'll open it through a file explorer. I'm choosing CX, tap just once, and open. There. Now we need to extract it. Tap the three dots, extract all, go to main storage, and find Geode. I'll find it now. It's in Android Media Geode. And then tap extract here, there, and click overwrite. There. After that, go back into Geode and restart it. And let's try again. See, it updated on me, which is probably bad. Let's try it. It didn't work, so we need to turn off automatic updates. Going back into Geode, into Settings, turning off automatic updates. Now, back to Explorer to overwrite the file again. Click Extract, Main Storage, Android Media Geode, extract here and overwrite everything. There, and let's try launching it again. And after that, it worked. That's it. This was Velor. See you everyone.